never take me. Wow, yo.
Eh. Salmon. I don't like salmon.
The pasta is here.
Oh, eh,
It's cool, right?
yes. Ryan is open 24 hours day and night. There's a trolley there you can bring in. Oh, okay. Ah, now we got aircon. Thank God we stay in a cool place. So here we are in Ikea Tampines. Going to the entrance to look for stuff. Wonder what they have here. I smell wood. Very, very nice wood smell. I want my room to be like this. Yeah, transform the room into like this space.
You see?
I want this room to be transformed like this. Better, right?
Not enough space.
Oh, okay.
That's so beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the toilet.
But my room don't have enough space, so too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we have toilet space like this. So good.
Yeah, interesting. That looks awesome.
So good.
Insane.
You can buy this and install in the hallway.
Ah, good
In
idea.
the hallway.
Yes.
And you can put in all the small things.
You can store things inside, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So this like that. Oh.
Yeah. Enhance your sleep with cooling comfort. Wow. Look at this.
So beautiful, right?
Yeah. You watch TV like that also in this position.
Yeah.
I want to look sexy. That looks sexy. I don't know what that these things. Yeah. Wow, this one looks so sexy.
I like this.
Yeah, look at that, an outdoor grill. in case I want to cook some food. Do I look sexy? Wow. This sofa looks awesome. Oh, I want this dining table.
Nice, right? I like
Yeah,
the chair.
the chair looks awesome. This
I'm gonna
dining,
try this.
yes.
If I get the job, a better job. I'm gonna get this.
Yeah, I want to get this one also.
I like the dining table.
Throw that glass table away.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this one. The chair slowly will see.
And there's a salad bowl, you can do salad. Awesome. Wow. A complete living room, $199 million. Wow, I like this sofa. Remember we had this sofa and then it broke already. Oh wow, a rocking chair. So that's for grandma this. Oh, it's not a rocking chair. I want that chair.
What?
That chair you can lay down. Yeah, I want this chair, you know. The L-shaped chair look awesome.